प्लेट चम्मच पकड़ा दो. Please give me a spoon. Please give me a spoon. मुझे एक कप चाय दिला दो. Get me a cup of tea. Get me a cup of tea. मुझे नोटबुक दिला दो. Buy me a notebook. Buy me a notebook. चार्जर पकड़ा दो. Hand me the charger. Hand me the charger. किताब पकड़ा दो. Hand me the book. Hand me the book. गिलास पकड़ा दो. Pass me the glass. Pass me the glass. रिमोट पकड़ा दो. Give me the remote. Give me the remote. फ़ोन पकड़ा दो. Hand me the phone. Hand me the phone. मुझे कुछ फल दिला दो. Get me some fruits. Get me some fruits. मुझे जूते दिला दो. Buy me shoes. Buy me shoes. मुझे किताब दिला दो. Get me a book. Get me a book. मुझे दवा दिला दो. Get me medicine. Get me medicine. कलम पकड़ा दो. Give me the pen. Give me the pen. नमक पकड़ा दो. Pass me the salt. Pass me the salt. मुझे नया फ़ोन दिला दो. Get me a new phone. Get me a new phone. मुझे कपड़े दिला दो. Buy me a dress. Buy me a dress. ये काम ज़रूर करना. Do this work for sure. Do this work for sure. मुझे इससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't care about it. I don't care about it. इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be done about it. Nothing can be done about it. मुझे उस पर भरोसा नहीं. I don't trust him. I don't trust him. इसे पकड़ा दो. Get it caught. Get it caught. मुझे दिला दो. Arrange it for me. Arrange it for me. दिलवा दो. Get it given. Get it given. उससे काम लो. Take work for him. Take work for him. ज़्यादा स्मार्ट बनने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to act too smart. Don't try to act too smart. मुझे मत समझाओ. Don't try to explain to me. Don't try to explain to me. इसको समझाओ. Make him understand. Make him understand. उसको बुला लो. Call him. Call him. तुमसे न हो पाएगा. You won't be able to do it. You won't be able to do it. मुझे क्या. Why should I care? Why should I care? बात तो सही है. That's true. That's true. मजाक मत करो. Don't joke around. Don't joke around. वही तो. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. यही तो बात है. That's the point. That's the point. और दिलवा दो. Get me another one. Get me another one. आप किसी काम के नहीं. You are good for nothing. You are good for nothing. वही तो मेरा मतलब है. That's exactly what I mean. That's exactly what I mean. ये किसी काम का नहीं है. It's completely useless. It's completely useless. इसका क्या फ़ायदा. What's the use of this? What's the use of this? बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं करता. It doesn't work at all. It doesn't work at all. क्यों परेशान होना? Why bother? Why bother? ये फजूल बात है. That's nonsense. That's nonsense. मैं इससे तक गया हूँ. I am tired of this. I am tired of this. ये बात अब परेशान कुन हो रही है. This is getting annoying. This is getting annoying. इस बार सही तरीके से करो. Do it properly this time. Do it properly this time. यही हालात है. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. हमेशा यही होता है. It's always the same. It's always the same. ये बहुत ही बेवकूफ़ी है. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. बिल्कुल वही बात. Exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. मेरे लिए एक और प्लेट ले आओ. Bring me one more plate. Bring me one more plate. यही है, बस हो गया. That's it, I am done. That's it, I am done. अभी एक और मंगवा दो. Order another one right now. Order another one right now. यही तो. That's exactly it. That's exactly it. यहाँ कुछ भी काम नहीं करता. Nothing works here. Nothing works here. वही तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ. Exactly what I was thinking. Exactly what I was thinking. एक और कप दिलवा दो. Get me one more cup. Get me one more cup. ये बिल्कुल भी मददगार नहीं. This won't help at all. This won't help at all. मेरे लिए एक और मंगवा दो. Order one more for me. Order one more for me. ये जगह किसी काम की नहीं. This place is of no use. This place is of no use. बस यही और कुछ नहीं. That's just it, nothing else. That's just it, nothing else. होशियारी मत दिखाओ. Don't act smart. Don't act smart. मुझे बहस नहीं करनी. I don't want to argue. I don't want to argue. मुझे करने दो. Let me handle it. Let me handle it. वो हमेशा बहाने बनाता है. He always makes excuses. He always makes excuses. किसी तरह करवा लो. Get it done somehow. Get it done somehow. जल्दी करो. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. मैंने पहले ही कहा था. I told you earlier. I told you earlier. कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. There is no benefit. There is no benefit. दोस्तों, इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए ताकि हमारी हर नई वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके. शुक्रिया.